In this video, I will show you how to buy S&P 500 on Trading 212. To do this, go and open up Trading 212, and then what you want to do is simply click on the search icon in the bottom of the screen. From there, click on the search bar at the top, and there you want to go and type in S&P 500. Now from there you will get a bunch of options which you can pick from, so just select whichever ETF you want. Now all of them that say S&P 500 will probably be S&P 500, so for example I'll just choose the one at the top, which is the Vanguard one. Now from there you can see the price and stuff like that. Now if you want to go and invest, then just click on buy and then choose how much you want to buy. So for example I'll do 10 euros, and then you can also choose to buy a limit, stop or stop limit. Now I'll just buy market, which means that it will go through right now if the market is open. So just click review order, then you will see the fee and all of that here. If you want to confirm, then click send buy order. And now you can see I have bought the S&P 500 shares. Now click OK. And now if I go to my portfolio, you can now see right here under investments, I have some S&P 500 shares here. So that's how to buy S&P 500 on Trading 212. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.